welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most iconic muscle cars that continues to carry the spirit of American performance into the modern age, the 2025 Ford Mustang Fastback E8. This new model is not just a car, it's a statement of power, design, and legacy that combines raw muscle with refined engineering, bringing a balance between heritage and innovation. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this machine is built to turn heads and dominate the road, carrying forward the timeless Mustang DNA with a futuristic touch. Looking at the exterior, the front fascia immediately grabs your attention with its aggressive stance. The signature Mustang grille has been sharpened with a more aerodynamic design, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give the car a fierce look, almost like it's ready to pounce. The hood bulges with sculpted lines, hinting at the beast hiding underneath, while air vents and aerodynamic detailing not only enhance style, but improve cooling and performance. Moving to the side profile, the Fastback silhouette remains as muscular as ever, showcasing flowing lines that connect past heritage with modern aerodynamics. The long hood, short deck proportions, and bold fenders emphasize the raw muscle car look, while the alloy wheels and performance tires give it that road-hugging stance. At the back, the triple-bar taillights return with a modern twist, glowing sharply with sequential indicators. The quad exhaust tips underline its aggressive personality, and the sculpted rear bumper with diffuser enhances both performance and aesthetics, making sure anyone driving behind knows exactly what just passed them. Stepping inside, the interior is where tradition meets technology. The cockpit is driver-focused with a flat-bottom steering wheel, digital gauge cluster, and an advanced infotainment system that seamlessly blends with the sporty design. Premium leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and metallic accents create an atmosphere that feels both luxurious and performance-oriented. The seats are designed for comfort, but hold you firmly during spirited driving. Tech lovers will appreciate the large touchscreen, wireless connectivity, premium audio system, and customizable driving modes that let you tailor the experience to your preference. Despite its aggressive character, the interior feels surprisingly refined, reminding you that the Mustang has grown into a car that can be thrilling on the track, yet comfortable on long drives. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, the legendary V8 engine that Mustang enthusiasts live for. The 2025 model pushes out immense horsepower, delivering blistering acceleration and a roaring exhaust note that echoes the car's racing heritage. The engine is paired with advanced transmission options, whether you prefer the thrill of a manual gearbox or the precision of an automatic. Performance modes allow the car to adapt from daily driving comfort to track-ready aggression. Handling has been refined with improved suspension systems, sharper steering, and upgraded braking, giving drivers not only speed but also confidence in corners. The balance between raw power and modern control technologies makes this Mustang one of the most complete driving experiences in its class. When it comes to pricing, Ford has managed to keep the Mustang competitive, while offering impressive value for the performance and technology it brings. The base V8 Fastback sits at a range that makes it accessible to enthusiasts, while higher trims and performance packages push the price into a premium, but still reasonable territory compared to exotic rivals. Considering what you get in terms of design, heritage, and sheer performance, it stands as one of the most attractive options for anyone seeking a true muscle car with modern refinement. If you are in the market for a car that delivers heritage, style, and unfiltered performance, the 2025 Ford Mustang Fastback V8 deserves a serious look. It carries the soul of the Mustang legacy, adds modern technology and comfort, and provides a driving experience that few cars in its price bracket can match. It's not just about speed, it's about presence, passion, and the thrill of driving. That wraps up today's review of the 2025 Ford Mustang Fastback V8. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think about this new generation Mustang. Would you take this beast over its rivals? Or do you think the muscle car wars still have stronger contenders? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with another exciting review.